Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Joe, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the cabin air filter in your Honda Ridgeline. Let's get into it. All right, so here I am. I'm in my 2024 Honda Ridgeline RTL, and I'm sitting in the passenger side right now in the car. And if you're like me and you bought a new Ridgeline, and you'll know that Honda usually gives you, I think it's 2 years, 24,000 miles of free oil changes and routine maintenance. And about 6 months ago, during one of my routine maintenance intervals, my service department said to me, hey, you need a new cabin filter and a new air filter. And they gave me a quote, and it was like $140. Outrageous. So let me tell you, I got my parts a little cheaper because my father-in-law works for O'Reilly's Auto Parts, but I paid like $22 for a brand new air filter and cabin filter combined. That was with his employee discount, but I just went and looked it up. A cabin filter is only $20. It's $19.99 for a cabin air filter. So don't pay your dealer $140 to do this. It literally is a 5-minute job. So I'm going to flip the camera around. I'm going to show you how to access the air filter, cabin air filter. I don't need to change mine because I've already done it recently, but I may pop it out and just vacuum it and give it a cleaning while I have it out. So let me flip the camera around and show you how to get into it. Okay, so the first thing you want to do is empty your glove box, because if you don't, you're going to spill everything onto the floor when you do this. So make sure your glove box is empty. So, all right, so if you see here, hopefully the glare doesn't blur this out on me, but you see this here and this here, like the two sides, they will, if you just pull them inward, there's like a little nub that will sort of release. So basically, if you see this little tab right here, so what you want to do is you just want to push it inward on both sides. This would be easier using both hands, but I'm trying to film and do this at the same time. But so basically on both sides, if you just push this little tab in, that will release the glove box. The glove box will drop down, and this here is your cabin filter. And you'll see there's a little tab on both sides. And again, this would be easier with two hands, but if you just push the tab in and pull, you're hard to do with one hand, but I'm gonna do it. I promise I'm gonna get it done. Maybe I do need both hands. This is tough. All right, I'm gonna try to balance the camera so that I can do this with both hands. So push the tabs in and pull the cabin filter out. Cabin filter comes right out. You can see mine's a little bit dirty. I changed it about 6 months ago. It is dirty. So I'm gonna vacuum this out real quick, and then I'm gonna reinsert it, buckle it all back up, and that's it. Be right back. All right, so as you can see, I just vacuumed mine out. It's probably good to take this thing out like every, I don't know, 4 months or so. Just give it a quick vacuum. It'll probably extend the life of it. But as you can see, the filter just goes right in this little tray. You can't mess it up. On the side of the filter, it tells you which direction to put the filter. And so you just pop it into the tray, just like this. And then, I'm gonna try to reposition the camera. You just kind of put it right back into the place that you got it from. You can see, hopefully you can see that. You just kind of push it in, give it a good push. You can hear the little click on both sides. You're all done. Then you just close your glove box. That's it. It is that easy, people. It amazes me that people pay to do something this simple. So anyways, I just wanted to do a quick video because there are some people that probably don't know how to do this, and I just I'm sorry, I'm a little distracted. A dragonfly just flew into my car, and the last time that this happened, it got trapped, and it literally, oh, there it goes, it just flew out. Come on, stay out, stay out. There it goes. All right, I'm gonna close the door. The last time that happened, it got trapped, and it started bouncing around between the glass of my dashboard, and it actually did some damage. I don't know if you'll be able to see it. Right here, there's like, you probably can't see it because of the sun glare, but there's like some scoring on the material of the dash from a dragonfly. But anyway, changing out your cabin air filter. It's that simple. Don't pay someone $50 or $60 or $80 or however much they're going to charge you. It's just not worth it. It's a 5-minute job. Literally, you just saw me do it in under 5 minutes. So, like I said, my dealer wanted $140 to change out the cabin filter and the air filter combined. It was $20 in parts. If you find a good sale, you could probably, like I said, I got an employee discount from my father-in-law, but even still, it's only $40 in parts at most. So don't pay someone $100 in labor to change these things out. They're super easy. So anyways, as always, thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. I hope this video helps someone out there, and we'll catch you on the next video.